You got any yet, Cooter?
Yeah.
You got one? Size or?
Oh, we've got 2 reddies.
2 reddies?
Yep, heaps of them, and one small trout. Got them at the boat.
How big were the reddies? Oh, little ones.
Trout was probably about that.
Yeah.
But I had 3 casts in one area and got follow-ups every time.
What with? Spinner?
Just little Rapala. 2 and 3 trout following together.
Yeah, they're everywhere, those little trout. Oh, it's only small. Where is this thing? There's a bit better. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. That was on that. That little thing. Little bib minnow. Not a bad trout. Little brownie. Bit better. About time we got something a bit better than the little farts. Oh, 12:30, I knocked it on the head. Got 3 trout. Cooter got 2 reddies and a trout. Just small trout busting the surface everywhere, but bloody the lures we're using are nearly as big as the bloody trout. So, gonna call it a day.